This is the Star Wars First Order Stormtrooper Blaster. It's kind of like the Rampage. It comes with a scope, a stock, a 12-round magazine, and these bullets. Some are just regular with the red tip, and then some have the Nerf logo and the Star Wars logo, and then the other side has the Nerf logo and the Empire logo, and then the other side has the Star Wars logo and the Empire logo. So the stock, now we're going to go over all the pieces of the gun. So it has a stock, it does not extend, but it's a pretty nice stock. The scope, there's a little piece of plastic up in the scope so you can aim. It's the blaster. So to shoot, you need to pull this back, load in your magazine with your darts, put it in, push it forward, and then fire. And there's also slam fires holding down the trigger or something. And then the 12-round magazine is all white. That's really cool, and I like it. Okay, that's it for the box. Now this is how you load the magazine. So you take your dart and you push. You see the arrow where it's pointing that way. So you put the dart, the orange or the tip, pointing with the arrow. Push it down. Take another. Put it in. Push it down. Take another. Put it in. And I'm going to load it. And then we'll do a firing test. Okay. And last spool. There is no dart storage at the bottom of the gun, but the Rampage does have dart storage. So this is what it looks like all together. Now we're going to fire. Those are bouncing back, so that's really powerful. So slam fire. And the jam door is right here in case your darts get jammed. I don't have a jam, but something's... Oh, there's a dart right there. So that is it for the First Order Stormtrooper Blaster, and that's it.